In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A07 and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. Start by launching Recorder app that's already on your device and tap in Allow in all available pop-ups. Then use red button at the bottom to start recording. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use middle button. To listen to your recording instantly, you need to swipe it to the right and tap on play button at the bottom left corner. If you want to add a bookmark, click on this icon at the top. And to end and save your recording, this icon of a square at the bottom right corner. So when I do that, I can name it and hit save. After a few seconds, my recording was successfully created. To manage it, click on it and use all of those options at the bottom to listen to it. Skip 1 second each way, speed it up, slow it down, or enable or disable skip silences option. You can also add bookmarks while listening, or click on those 3 dots at the top right corner to access all of those options, like this one of scissors, which is edit one. If you wish to trim your audio, pick a portion of it, and then tap on scissors icon at the bottom right corner. Following that, you need to decide if you want to keep or delete selected area. Then hit save at the top right corner and decide if you wish to replace original recording or save this one as a new one. If you want to manage your recording from here, you can hold it and use those options at the bottom, like delete. If you wish to restore it, you have 30 days to click on those 3 lines at the top right corner. Select trash, hold your recording and tap on restore button at the bottom left corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!